What's up, Slimeketeers? It's me, Vian, and today we are making butter slime. But first, I wanna say a big hello to all my friends in school, like Zarina, Ina, Steph, Lian, Angel, Jana, and Athena, and all the boys, which I always forget how many they are because there's so many. So I wanna also say big hello to Sophia G, who always watches my channel. And go follow her on her channel, Sophia G. And I wanna say, and also Krisha R, who is celebrating her birthday today. So happy birthday, Krisha R, if you're watching this right now. So today's slime is butter slime, but this is even more special because I'm going to make ube cheese butter slime inspired by my favorite ice cream flavor, ube cheese. So let's get started. First we need to add some Elmer's white glue. Or it makes that weird noise. Ooh, bubbling even. Whoa, that was a big one. Every last drop. I think that's all of it in. That's still dripping down. I think that's enough. That's all the slime. That's all the glue in there. Next, we'll add some shaving foam. Whoa, it's hard. It's hard. Hard to get. Okay, there we go. Whoa! Add a little bit more. Okay, I think that's enough. Oh, that kind of dripped down, but that's okay. Let's put this back and let's stir it to make some fluffy slime first. Smells good, by the way. Looks fluffy though. Get it? Okay, let's mix it a little bit more. And now let's add the activator in. Open. There we go. We need to add more.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I cut my slimes in half. So now I'm going to add my clay. It's soft and rubbery, this type. Oh, fell. Ripping the plastic off. Okay, so I'm going to make this side ube and this side cheese. And okay, I placed it in my slime and let's. I hope this makes a really nice purple color. It's not sticking to my hand anymore because of the clay. Stretch. Whoa. It's turning into like a light purple. I don't know if this is enough, guys, because I have another purple in there. But the color is really nice and kind of looks like a lavender color. Okay, let's put more of the clay. I'm sorry. Open. And add in here. Let's throw that and mix this in. It feels really thick. But not sticking in my hand though. This makes me remind of my lavender slime video. If you haven't saw that, link's gonna be in the description. You can watch that video. Okay guys, I want this ube slime to be darker, so I'm going to add 1 drop of violet food coloring. Oh, I think that's too many. But that's okay. Many people make mistakes sometimes. Wow. It's getting there's color on my fingers, but that's okay. I'm just going to wash my hands off later with some soap. Whoa! Color still in there. Oh, you can see, guys, this slime is getting really dark. Wow, it's really fluffy and buttery, you guys. It's really soft and buttery and like glittery. So guys, now let's make the cheese slime. Okay guys, so let's put the other yellow clay in. Let's see if this is gonna be a cheesy yellow. Because right now it's kind of like a lemon yellow. So I want this to be a cheesy yellow. Let's add a little bit more yellow using our food coloring. I'm gonna take off the yellow food coloring and just drop one drop. Yeah, one drop. Put this back in here. And mix, mix, mix. Using my hand. Wow, it's so soft, guys. It's like that, but it's more. This is kinda like more fluff. This is fluffy, and this is more buttery because it's yellow, like butter. Get it? Get it? Butter is yellow. It's butter. It's kind of sandy when you play with this like this. Oops, made a mistake again. Let's try it again. Okay guys, so let's now try to make an ubi cheese swirl. So let's line it up like this. Like this. And then oops. That's gonna be it for now, guys. I hope you enjoy my videos. So big hello to my new friends and all my friends in school. So hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel. Comment below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.